Hello there everyone. Today let's learn to draw a cute kawaii ice cream. So let's start by drawing a straight line or a sleeping line. And we can draw a shape, something like an upside down U shape. Now we'll draw a smaller U shape like this. Draw some random shape towards the top, something like this. And let's draw two circles for the eyes. Cute little mouth. And you can complete the eyes by drawing two more tiny circles inside and color the remaining part. And finally, eyelashes. So we've finished the drawing and now we'll color it.